Hey guys, I'm Jen. Now, do you ever come home and want to make something yummy, but you only have a few ingredients in your kitchen? Today, I'm going to show you how to make everyday gourmet with a delicious 5-ingredient sheet pan teriyaki cheesesteak with Sargento Reserve Series aged white cheddar slices. So first thing I gotta do is thinly slice my onion and my ribeye. Now, the key here to making that caramelized and cook very quickly is getting thin slices. Now, what I love about this recipe is that everything gets cooked right here on one sheet pan. You don't even have to dirty any bowls for mixing. Everything's done right here. You'll caramelize your meat and your onions, toast the bread, and then melt that beautiful cheese right on top. So to the sheet pan, I'm gonna oil it up, toss on the onion. I have a beautiful piece of ribeye here. Now it's mostly frozen. That's good because this is gonna allow me to thinly slice it, okay? Check this out. If this were mostly thawed, it would be a little bit squishy and hard to run that knife through it. When the steak is this cold, it makes it a lot easier for you to slice very thinly. Look at that, okay? Nice and thin. Now you want it nice and thin because that's gonna caramelize and cook so quickly in a flash right under the broiler. I love using ribeye for this because it's got the perfect amount of marbling. You see that fat there? That way it maintains its tenderness as it's cooking under the broiler. Super juicy. Now this joins the tray party. I'm just gonna break up the pieces so that I can season this nice and evenly right on the tray. Give a little bit more. Now my twist here for this cheesesteak is to throw on some teriyaki sauce. I love this teriyaki sauce because it's got sesame seeds in it, so it adds that extra depth of flavor without you having to buy a whole bunch of different ingredients. It's all in one. Just a little black pepper, and then mix it up. Now just spread it out as evenly as possible. That way the flames from the broiler can touch each and every bit of surface that's there, caramelizing those sugars, cooking that meat, softening those onions. I'm gonna put this under the broiler for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna keep my eyes on it and then pull it out when it's nice and caramelized. It is smelling so good in here. I cannot wait. Check this out. Yeah, look at that. All those beautiful browned edges. Oh, it's bubbling, sizzling right there in the pan. I mean, come on, this looks so delicious already. You have those nice caramelized bits and pieces. It's sizzling right in the pan. Now do not turn off that broiler. You're not done with the sheet pan yet. You just take a little spoon and divide this in half. You just kind of want to part the sea of delicious meat and onion. All right. Just give it a little wipe so that the buns don't get soggy. Now get 2 nice hoagie rolls, slice them right through the center, and then you lay them cut side facing up so that the broiler can toast these hoagie rolls. Just like that. Boom, boom, perfect. And now it's time for the cheese. I am going in with some Sargento Reserve Series aged white cheddar slices. I really love this combo here. The rich, sharp aged white cheddar goes perfectly with the sweetness and savoriness of that beef and onion mix. It is so good. This is gonna go under the broiler again, just until the bread gets nice and toasted and that cheese is bubbly. Make sure you keep an eye on it. Do not walk away. Oh man, it smells so good. Yeah. Oh, look at that. The bread is nicely toasted and that cheese, oh, so melty and bubbly. It is beautiful. Now it's time to assemble. I really love using this aged white cheddar because of the color. Usually you're used to yellow cheddar, but this just kind of makes it feel gourmet, right? Ooh, look at that. You just pile it on, right on the bread. Look at that beautiful melted cheese. Oh, yes, 1,000 times yes. Then you just close it right up. Ooh, yes. Second sandwich. That is piled on high. And top that baby off. Look at that. Is that not the most beautiful sandwich you've ever seen? I cannot wait to try this. Oh, just look at that. All of that beautiful melted aged white cheddar, the onions, the beef, all on that toasted bun. Oh yeah, come to mama. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Cheesiest sandwich of my dreams. Oh man, I am in love with this combination. You got the full flavored, rich, sharp aged white cheddar that contrasts beautifully with that teriyaki beef and onion, all in that toasted hoagie roll. I really hope you make this elevated twist on the classic cheesesteak. It's so simple, just 5 ingredients and 1 sheet pan, and you'll be on your way to an awesome dinner.